Violet ever be alright? Or will she always be a blue bear?
Very probably. Come along. There's so much time and so little to see. Wait, strike that. Reverse it. Ah, I quite forgot about this room. It's my significant drink room.
Bubbles! Do they taste like candy? Oh, Mr. Wonka, sweetie, I want bubbles that taste like candy!
Actually, the bubbles taste like soap for children with dirty mouths. It's what the bubbles do that is remarkable.
What do they do?
Just one sip of my fizzy lifting drink and you will float on air.
Float on air?
Whoa! Unfortunately, my legal advisors have forbidden our taking even the tiniest takes. Come along, I have more exciting things to show you.
Ah, they left us. Should we try it?
Well, I guess one sip won't hurt. Do you feel anything?
No, maybe this stuff doesn't work. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Bravo Joe, try it! It's like swimming, except we can't drown!
I've swam over 30 years, Charlie!
Come on, Bravo Joe!
Wow! I do learn Spanish, Charlie!
I got you! Whee! Oh, look at me, Bravo Joe! Woo! I'm free!
What's that sound?
I'm not sure, but we better go!
Look up, Charlie! It's a giant fan! It's sucking us out! Try to float down!
I can't!
Try, Charlie, try!
I can't!
Try to cut it to bits!
But be positive!
I got
Think!
it! Wait! Burping is the answer, Charlie! Burp, Charlie, burp!
This is fun! Oh, how I love to burp!
People perform a letter to adore.
From John Wayne to Whiner,
Just as birds love to chirp and we call us to be